This is the HOYA ND Essentials Filter Kit. It comes with 3 neutral density filters. You have a 3-stop, your 6-stop, and your 10-stop. And they all come in this nice travel wallet. These filters have a nice low profile frame, and they all have HOYA optical glass. One of the main purposes of these filters is to give you full creative control over your settings. They're great for photography when you're looking to capture those dreamlike long exposure shots, especially when you're capturing water or clouds. And for those extra smooth shots, the filters have front threads so you can actually stack them as well. They're great when you're shooting video to help you achieve that cinematic look, especially when you're shooting in harsher light conditions. You can still open up that aperture and get that nice, soft, blurred background. Now make sure you go check out this HOYA ND Essentials Filter Kit. Budget-friendly, quality glass, built for the creative. Have a great day.